It took an entire week, but I have gone through each student's blog. You have a link right here to your own blog. Um, and I have access to it in two different ways through the clipboard individually, and which is how I did all of your individual blogs, so I could see who was and was not doing the work. And thank you, by the way, for your honesty. Some of you put your heart and soul into writing things, and it shows, and it's appreciated. And those of you with constructive criticism, feel free. I want, it's better to talk to me if you really have a problem than writing it down. Um, like I told you, I don't bite. I want to hear what you have to say. I may not always agree, and I'll try to explain why um, I'm doing what I'm doing. But quite often, students have feedback that's valuable. Okay, so I appreciate that. Now, for those of you asking questions throughout your blog, don't do that. I can't answer every single question because there are hundreds, literally, and typing out answers is so much more difficult than just come up to me. If you have a question, ask me. Let's talk. Okay? Now, as far as the week 5 DPE goes, I want you to understand, you know, I'm doing the same thing I'm asking you to do. I'm writing, and reflecting. And I want you to begin reflecting and projecting what is it you want to do. That's what the digital portfolio is for. It's a running record of your experience in here. And I want you to treat it as valuable because it really can be. I don't know what else to say here. I want you to understand that this is important. I mean, it took me all week to get through. I didn't realize there's thousands and thousands of blog posts. My goodness. But from here on out, it slows down, and the weekly DPE is primarily where I'm going to ask you to write. Once you get through with Reboot Camp, that's what's going to happen. Understand? So these are important. Don't miss them. Don't skip them. All right, so there you go. Week 5, I want a little reflection. I want a little projection. What do you want to do? What have you done? And show me evidence. I want to see what you did this week. Not last week, this week.